Hello everyone! Today, we'll explore Adobe Firefly, an amazing tool for making beautiful pictures and animations. Whether you're a pro or just starting, this video will teach you the basics. You'll bring your creative ideas to life by the end. If you want to be a smart person on technology, please subscribe to our channel. So let's get started. At first, open any browser on your mobile phone. Go to the search bar and search for Adobe Firefly. Then click on the first link. After that, you need to click on Explore Firefly Beta. Finally, we reach the Adobe Firefly Beta app. There are many types of photo editing tools, but today we are going to use Generative Fill tool. Click on the Generate button. After clicking on this button, you will reach the next page. Then upload a photo by clicking on this button. Select a photo and upload it. You can generate anything in this photo using this tool. For example, I will generate some animals in this photo. At first, adjust the brush size from here and select the part you want to generate, anything. I want to generate an elephant. Select the part where you want to generate. After selecting, you need to write a prompt from here and click on the Generate button. And just wait for a moment. Select the best quality picture and click on the Keep button. Wow, the photo's quality is perfect. You can generate anything using the same process. Let's try to generate other things. Finally, our image is ready for download. To download this image, you need to click on here. You cannot use this image for commercial purposes because Adobe Firefly is currently on the experiment beta version. You can use this image only for personal uses.